Okay guys, welcome to Simply to Go. Today I will be showing you guys how to download a YouTube video into your PC, desktop, or as well your mobile phone. Before further ado, let's dive into today's tutorial. First of all, you open your browser. Once you open your browser, navigate to your search bar, then you type YouTube, then hit enter on your keyboard or on your phone. Then voila, here we are on YouTube. So yeah, let's wait for it to download. Still loading. So first thing you have to do is to make sure that you have a YouTube account, or better still, you can still download the video without a YouTube account. This is you having this video or any tutorial offline. You don't need to be online for you to access the video or watch the video. You can have it offline. Okay, let's say now I want to download this. Let me search for a movie. Let me search for a normal YouTube. Let me say Hello Man. Okay, so here you have it. Here you have a bunch of videos you would like to have on your PC or your system. What you have to do is just to click on that video. You have to click on it. Let me say I like this one, I want to have it on my system. Then click on it. Quickly it will open up. Once it's opened, then the first thing to do is just to go to your share button. On your share button, click on share. Then copy the URL. Here you copy the URL. Once you're done with the URL, you can go ahead. Then let me pause this thing. Then you can go ahead, open a new tab on your system or on your phone. Navigate to your Chrome if you are using a mobile phone, but if you are using a desktop or a laptop, then use your Google to make a search. Then, or you can use your Edge, anyone you prefer, any browser you prefer, but me, I prefer Google. So you now type save from net, then hit enter. Save from net, then hit enter on your keyboard. Voila, the first link you will see, then click on it to download it again. Or so now we have the video. You can hit enter on your keyboard, or you can click on download. So let's wait for it to load. Then once it's loaded, we have our video downloaded. Okay guys, look here guys, can you see my video downloading? Here I have my video downloading. At the bottom left corner of my screen, I have my video downloading. Once the video is downloaded, you can now locate it on your download folder. In your download folder, you will get to see this video downloaded, and that's where you will save the video. And after the video has downloaded, you can open it up on your system or on your